Okay, today I got my hair in a messy bun. My daughter does too. We mean business now. Anyway, if your hair's in a messy bun, you mean business. We're going to be waterproofing the ICFs on this side of the house so we can put the hardy board on. I'll probably end up having the hardy board go into the ground. I know that's not the best way of doing it. Neighbor, he's done it. It's been years. No signs of rot. Of course, it's concrete. It's really not going to rot like that anyways. My daughter's over there already starting to work finally. I got her working. And anyways, I'm using black, what is it, blackjack, I believe is what it says. It didn't specify that it was 4 ICFs, but it didn't say it wasn't. So I went ahead and tested it on a piece of foam. No chemical reaction. You're about to get it all over your shirt though. Can't help it though. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and use it since there was no chemical reaction with the other foam. All right, let me go help her load her roller up. All right, I'm coming, honey.
How many layers of this do you put on?
At least one thick coat. We got enough to put 2, we will. Put my hand in it. The main thing is the seams.
Well, I can't get in there with this thing.
I will.
See, I was saying, so you want to have to come and get some of the cracks over here.
Let's do the seams with this. But we might come back at it and do the seam. All right. Yesterday, we put one coat on it, let it dry. Now in the seams, I put it thick. The whole reason for that, the foam is like a closed cell foam, so water can't penetrate it actually. If it penetrates, it'll penetrate at the bottom, the seams, the top, anywhere that it's an opening. But the actual panel itself, water can't migrate through. So you've seen us put a thick coat on the seams, and my daughter put a coat all over it. Later on that evening, after you seen in the video where she has, I may or may not post it by now, but I probably will, where she hooked up the box blade on the tractor. That video, after that, we ended up just running down and cleaning the ditches up on the mountain road. Giving that time to dry. It dried. She put another coat on it last night, and I put another coat on the seams, and then turned around, and this morning I put another coat on it. They're still a little tacky, but that's 3 coats on the seams and 2 coats everywhere else. So we're going to see if that's hopefully good enough. We're going to start putting siding on it, even though it's still a little tacky. I guess my daughter learned enough on siding, she's going to teach me how to do it. Even though right now she's measuring in the wrong place. We're going to start down here. She's measuring there. There, now you can see my hand. Anyways, I'm gonna put the siding. It's concrete hardy board, or I don't think that's the brand hardy board, but anyways, it's something like it. Hang on, they're trying to get the hose up. Water hose from when we washed off the wall yesterday. There you go. Don't knock that. Okay. Anyways, I will take the concrete board down into the ground. It shouldn't rot. It's concrete. Concrete can rot, yes, but it takes many years. We'll be dead and the kids will have to deal with it by then. They can put new siding on it. By then you'll know how to do it. Anyways, so I will be running it down in the ground because I don't want to put stucco or anything like that on there above ground level up to the siding. I want it just to all run into the ground. That's the look I'm looking for. All right, we're gonna get started on that. First piece, we can go with 5 foot. All right, make her go and cut it and bring it up here to me, and I ain't got to do nothing. Might have to chisel this off. Hang on, let me see it for a second. I didn't think about that little, it's a tab to line up the next piece into. I didn't think about them getting in the way. Okay. Against it. Yeah, looks perfect. Yeah, some of it's still tacky.
Yeah, that's fine.
Done talked about this before. These are Nudura forms. Anywhere Nudura, I'll get it out in a minute. It's only been 41 years I've been learning English. I've just about got it mastered. Anyways, there's a strip where it says Nudura. The plastic strip that runs all the way up. You can nail in it, screw in it. It's supposedly, I don't know what size screw or threaded size threads it needs, but each one will hold like 350 pounds of straight pulling force. Then you have these zigzags in here also where the name ain't in it or a serial number. That might be a patent number, whatever it is. Those, anywhere there's writing basically, or any kind of zigzag line, there's a strip in there. You can nail in it, you can screw in it, do whatever you need. That's where I'm nailing. They're every 8 inches on these forms. I know. Because I busted my thumb open a while ago. I'm out of hardy board, concrete board, whatever the crap you want to call it. I'm out of it. Full pieces. I've got several scrap pieces, but I'm trying to have the least amount of seams as possible. The front of the house doesn't have any seams. The other side of the house does. In the eave, or in the peak there, it has a couple of seams in the front, but that's it. The other side has a few seams because, well, it's longer than 14 feet, of course, or 12 feet. And this side I have 3 seams right now. Yeah, that's what I see. So I'll end up with a few more, but I'm gonna call it quits on that. I just want to say I appreciate you watching. If you would, like, subscribe, hit that share button. Stay healthy and God bless.